The semiconductor manufacturing field, or semiconductors as general, is probably the #1 field of importance in the world. You have semiconductors that are in virtually every electronic component that's ever been created. Given how widespread electronics are on Earth, that speaks for itself. We need to make sure that we have the capability to make those domestically so that we're not exposed to any kind of an interruption or supply shock. For the Semiconductor Manufacturing Technology program, or SMT, what we're going to do is we're going to have you doing asynchronous online classes if you want to, meaning you can do the learning on your own time at your own pace. When it's time to actually do any sort of a check-in for a lab, we can have you come in and do that in person as needed. We do have pipelines established not only for employment, but also for internships and being able to work while you go to school.
Graduates from this program will be able to help stimulate the local economy by filling the vital roles that are necessary within fabs across the nation. The fab here in Pocatello is short-handed when it comes to operators and technicians. Graduates from this program will be able to show up and fill those positions on day one after graduating and help fulfill the much needed technical gap when it comes to operators and techs in this field.
What is being done with semiconductors at a high end is applicable to literally every industry on Earth. And so you're able to get in at the ground level at a phenomenal time. This is in its infancy. You can be a part of something extremely important for the future and something that is likely to be very lucrative.
If semiconductor manufacturing piques your interest and you want to have a hands-on job that makes a difference throughout the world, feel free to contact our marketing and recruitment office and they can point you in the right direction and get you all set up for classes.